So guys, today we are going to one temple which name is Ranchod Rai, and then we are going to Ahmedabad. And Ranchod Rai is a famous temple of Dakor, and Ranchod Rai means Dakor. Okay, so guys, now I am out of this room. So guys, now let us see outside, the view of outside. Here, as you can see, only our car is here on these two lanes. No, in this way. And here two more cars. Means only there are only 3 cars right now here. But after we will be leaving, there will be only 2 cars. Okay. So guys, the weather is also like a little sunny, little cool. I don't think today it will be rain, but who knows. Let us go back to our room. Here, as you can see, this is the room. Let I close the door. Oh, let me close the door. But there is nothing here, see. Nothing. Nothing is here. Like closing the door. Hey. But only this. And this one. This one is also very much hard. Guys, do you know? Okay, so guys, now I will meet you after some time. So guys, now we are going to Ranchod Rai temple. But guys, I want to show you the tour of this room. Let I show you. Here is one bed. Here are double bed. This is the TV. This is like a sitting. What is it called? I don't know. And this is cupboard. And this is AC. And in this there is bathroom, this toilet, this tub, this sitting thing, this wash basin, and then again 2 things are missing. I'll have to show you. These 2 things are this one of keeping everything, and this one, and the charging port. Okay, so guys, now I will come. Okay, so guys, now wait a second. Okay, so guys, now is everything that one is missing. Let I put this all the things in the car, then I will take this again. Wait for a second. Okay, so guys, now let us go and put everything in the car. Here is the car. So now let us go. Yeah, one polythene. Okay, so guys, now let us sit. Wait. Okay, so guys, now let us sit here for a while. Okay. Now guys, we will go to Ranchod Rai temple, and then we will go directly to Ahmedabad. Okay. So I am sitting. Okay, so guys, now let us go and sit inside the car and go to Ranchod Rai temple. Okay, so guys, now let us sit the car. Okay, so guys, now we are going to Ranchod Rai temple, As you can see, this is the way. To go to Ranchodara the temple. Okay, so guys, now I will meet you at the Ranchodara temple. Okay, so guys, now we reached at the Ranchodara temple, but guys, we have to walk about 500 meters because there is no parking at that place. So we have to walk 500 meters. Let's walk. Where is the temple?
योगी योगीशः सर्वकामदः आश्रमश्रमणः क्षामः सुपर्णो वायुवाहनः धरो धरुकेदो दण्डो नदी से थोड़ा से
Where is the temple? Oh my god. Okay, so guys, now I will meet you at the temple. So guys, now we got into the car, but guys, we have not gone to that Ranchodara temple because guys, there was too much crowd, and I was exhausted because from last 2 days, because I have gone to so many places in 2 days. So, oh God, please forgive me because I can't come to worship you because I was exhausted and I had a little pain in my legs. Okay, so guys, now as you can see, I'm showing you the way. Okay, so guys, now I will meet you after some time. So guys, now because of the hot weather, we are having this, you can see, this is the Sprite for me, and my mommy is having Maaza. Mommy, show the Maaza. Here. Okay, so guys, now I will meet you after drinking the Sprite. Okay, so guys, now we have reached Ahmedabad, and now we are having that lunch. And for lunch, we are here. It's Domino's. We will have pizza. Okay. We will have pizza. It will be fun. Wait for a second. Let me get out of the car. Okay, so guys, now let us go to the Domino's. They have the pizza. I will meet you after crossing the road. Okay, so guys, now we have crossed the road. And now as you can see, Domino's is here. Okay. So now let us go and have pizza. Let us go. Okay guys, so where we will sit? We will sit here. now I will meet you when the order will come. So guys, now as you can see, the pizza came. This is the small size pizza and this is the meal. Okay, so guys, now let us open it. This is the pizza, small size pizza. Let us open this also. Wow, see, cone pizza. And see, they also gave us Coca-Cola and these 2 cups for the Coca-Cola. Okay, so guys, now I will meet you after finishing the both of the pizzas. Okay, so guys, now we have finished the pizzas and now we are going to Rome because we have the whole evening. The whole afternoon we have. Then we will go to my Bhai's house. Papa, what we will do? Tell me. Papa, what we will do?
We have not yet decided.
Okay.
So we will go to the Sabarmati Ashram.
Okay. Got it, Papa. My Papa is saying that we have not yet decided. We may go to the Sabarmati Ashram. Right, Papa? Sabarmati Ashram. Right, Mommy? Papa told.
Yes.
Okay, so guys, now I will meet you after crossing the road. Okay, so guys, now we have crossed the road. And now let us go and sit inside the car. And go to Sabarmati Ashram. Open the ear, close. Now I will close the door. Wait. Done. Okay. So guys, now I will meet you at the Sabarmati Ashram. Okay, so guys, now we reached at the Gandhi Ashram and I want you to show the weather. No, to show the environment. It is very much trees. Many trees are here, as you can see. But it is sunny. Okay guys, so now let us go and check what is meant by Gandhi Ashram. So guys, my Papa is going to take some soda, so I also will go. Yeah. Let's head out. Where is the soda? I want Sprite for me. I love Sprite. So guys, there was no Sprite, so we took this Nimbus and there is a slice. And this slice for my mommy because there was no Mazda. Okay, so guys, now let I taste the Nimbus. It is like Sprite. Yeah. You have. What? I have. Okay. You don't want? Should I drink all?
પછી શરદી થઈ ગઈ એટલી છે અડધી પી જા